Hi, I'm Jared Dillingham in Venice, Italy. Today we're heading about half an hour, 45 minutes north of the city to the smaller city that put tiramisu on the map. Let's head up to Treviso to check out the home of my favorite dessert. Treviso is a fairly large city, about 45 minutes north of Venice by train. The trains leave every 30 minutes or so between the two cities, and it's about a 10-minute walk from Treviso's train station to the city center. Beccherie first put tiramisu on the map back in the 1970s after the owner gave birth and her mother-in-law came up with a concoction to give her a bit of a boost with caffeine. These days, each cafe and restaurant in Treviso puts its own spin on the traditional recipe. They come in all forms, from cakes to slabs to cups to cannolis. Aside from Beccherie, this osteria gets some of the highest praise from customer reviews on TripAdvisor, and I would personally suggest Camelia Bakery, where they sell these paper cup tiramisus just as fast as the kitchen can make them. And the bakery itself is very charming, both inside and out. You can also learn how to make your own tiramisu at a cooking class offered in either Treviso or back in Venice. The word tiramisu translates to pick-me-up, a reference to the caffeine and coffee, the jolt you'll get from the coffee-infused ladyfingers. By the way, I was there last in December, so the city of Treviso was decked out for Christmas, and the streets are very pretty and full of shops to check out in between samples on your tiramisu tour of Treviso.